Hello, dear kids. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. Kids, from today we are going to start our second term chapters. And the first chapter in this second term is chapter number 21, Comparing Numbers. Class 2nd, subject Mathematics. Let's get going. Have to circle the numbers which are smaller in the given pair of numbers. So let's start. The first number here we can see is 3 and 8. Now which number is smaller here in 3 and 8? It's 3, right? And in 1 and 9? It's 1. What about 2 and 20? It's 2. Now we'll revise the situation. Okay, now here you have to circle bigger number instead of smaller number. So the first pair of numbers, they are 4 and 7. And which number is bigger in 4 and 7? It's 7, right? And in 2 and 7, it's again 7, as 7 is bigger. And in 8 and 9, it's 9. Here we have compared the numbers and decided which one is smaller and which one is bigger number. Do you know that there are some symbols to represent the same? Let's see what are they by taking one example. What do you see in this picture? Apples. Yes. Now, can you tell me on the left side how many apples are there? Can you count? They are 1 and 2. And what about right side? Let's count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 apples. Now tell me which number is bigger and which number is smaller here? Here 2 is smaller number and 4 is bigger. As 2 is smaller number and 4 is bigger number. Now tell me how we will represent this by using symbol. So we will use this symbol to represent that 2 is less than 4. We will read this as 2 is less than 4. Now tell me how we will represent that 4 is bigger than 2? For that, we will use this symbol. And we will read this as 4 is greater than 2. Kids, don't you think so? The sign here is somewhat similar to this greedy crocodile's mouth who wants to eat bigger things. Is it so? Yes, it is. So can we compare this sign with the crocodile's mouth? Yes, we can. And always remember this thing. The crocodile is greedy and it wants to eat the bigger number. So, see, 4 is greater than 2. So the mouth of the crocodile is towards number 4. So the symbols for smaller than and greater than are this. This is smaller and this is greater than. See, the mouth of the crocodile is towards the big number and to the opposite side we have smaller number. Let's take one more example here. 7 is greater than 2. Means here 7 is greater or bigger number and it is towards the mouth of crocodile, whereas 2 is smaller number and it is to the opposite side. From the examples below, we shall see how they are used. Let's take the first example. We have 3 numbers, 3 and 7. So how we are going to read this? We are going to read this as 3 is less than 7. And what about this? 7 is greater than 3. Let's take the another example. 1 and 9. We will read this as 1 is less than 9. And this as 9 is greater than 1. Let's take the third example here. 20 and 2. So how we are going to read this? It's 20 is greater than 2. And what about this? 2 is less than 20. Kids, it is very easy to identify bigger and smaller number when both the numbers they are single digit number, or one number is single digit and the another one is two digit number. But what if both the numbers they are two digit numbers? How we would decide which one is greater number? Let's take one example of this. We'll take 37 and 52. Now if you observe the tens place in both the numbers, we have 3 at the tens place in 37 and 5 in 52. It is easy to identify that 5 is greater than 3, or we can also say 3 is less than 5. So obviously your 52 is greater than 37, or we can say 37 is smaller than 52. 37 is less than 52. Here, the number with the greater tens digit is the greater number. Always remember this. Yes, quite right. When we count numbers on a measuring tape, 37 comes first and 52 comes later. The number that comes later is bigger number. If both the numbers have same digit in tens place, how do we decide? Let's take its example. Before that, let's understand that if the tens they are equal, the digits in unit place will help. Now we'll take the example 72 and 78. At unit place in both the numbers, it's 2 in 72 and 8 in 78. So 2 is less than 8, and talking about 72 and 78, we can say that 72 is less than 78. Let us expand numbers and verify the rules for comparing numbers 43 and 28. In the number 43, the tens place digit is 4, while 2 is the tens place digit in the number 28. So here 43 is greater than 28. Let's see the another example, 31 and 33. In both numbers, the tens place digit is 3. That is, the tens digits are equal. However, 33 has 3 in the unit place and 31 has 1 in the unit place. So, 31 is less than 33. Now, compare the numbers in each pair given below and insert the sign between the two numbers. The first one is given for you. The numbers they are 43 and 46. Now, observe the number carefully and you will find that at tens place we have 4 common. So, we will consider the units place, and in 43, 3 is in units place, and in 46, 6 is in units place. So, 43 is less than 46. Let's move to the next one. 84 and 86. Here also we have 8 common at the tens place. So we will consider the units place. And we have 4 in 84 and 6 in 86. Here also we will write 84 is less than 86. Now the next one, 30 and 15. As 3 is less than 5, we can write 30 is less than 50. The next one, 13 and 9. 13 is greater than 9. Now kids, you can solve the remaining one in your mathematics notebook. Kids, this is all for today's video. We'll meet in next video. Till then, goodbye, take care and thank you. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.